Hey RVers and future RVers, I'm Mikey B with Beckley's RVs. We've got an exciting, fresh trailer to cover today that's behind me. It's the 2024 Coachmen Freedom Express 252 RBS. And make sure you stay tuned through the whole video. We've got to see this interior. Let's dive into it. All right, make sure you stay with me. We're gonna get into that interior, but before we go inside, let's hit some of these cool features on the outside of this Freedom Express. Having pass-through storage is one thing, but having a latch and being able to have hands-free holding this to be able to load all my gear, big bonus. And there's a really cool lighting strip that goes all the way through. So even at the dark, or at the nighttime, I can be able to confidently get in there and fish whatever I need to get out. And of course, that's where all your gear is gonna be stowed, right? Because you're gonna have patio time with this huge awning. And it does have another light strip to light up our whole patio side so we can party at all times of the day and get into that night. And patio time wouldn't be anything without some like cooking and counter space. We have a grill that we can attach here, just like this counter space here. So we maybe throw up some goodies there. That way we're out here at the picnic table, we don't have to go inside. And check this out. This is major patio time. We have a sink and a refrigerator out here as well. Again, to be able to just maximize our time, enjoy the outsides underneath our awning for patio party time. Let's get to the back side of this trailer next. RV lifestyle wouldn't be anything without routine maintenance. We want you to check your sealants, check the fiberglass, check all kinds of stuff. Because when this thing's sitting in the backyard, we don't want Mother Nature ruining our lifestyle and our future memories to come. They've equipped a ladder to be able to get up on the roof. The roof is important because you have plastic components up there that you may snag a tree branch along the way, but more importantly, again, UV rays are one of the most harmful things to the campers. Check your sealants, check your plastic covers, check your refrigerator covers, etc. Get up on the roof and do your routine maintenance. And last but not least, all the hookups are right centrally located back here in the rear. I don't know how many campgrounds I've been where the pedestal to electric is over here and the plumbing, the sewer hookup is over there, and next thing you know, the darn water bib is 500 yards away. Well, if this is all centrally located, that just gives me the ability to just have everything hooked up a lot more conveniently. We have our septic, we have our cable hookup, we have our electric, and we have our water. Big time kudos on just something small to be able to centralize all our hookups and save some time at the campground. All right, thanks for sticking with me. We are finally inside this fresh new interior. We're gonna dive a little bit more into it as we get back to the living room. But man, I love the interior look, the feel. It's not that gray on gray on gray. We've got finally something different coming out into our industry, and hopefully it sticks. But let's get into this floor plan and all the cool features that it has. Starting up in the main bedroom. We have our full-size queen bed to give me a great night's sleep. I don't have to worry about, feet hanging off the end of the bed, etc. But I love the lighting. I love the natural light that we have with the window up top. And of course you have your privacy curtain here that you can close down. But look at all this storage, big shirt closets, even little nook and cranny in the back behind it that we can slide in our cell phone at night, some drawers that we can throw in some folded material or folding clothing. And this is the cool kicker of this unique bed setup. Check this out. This thing goes all the way up. It is strut assisted. I have these nice, cool little bench seats, if you will, and they even integrated more drawer space here so we can fold up and have even that much more clothing at our fingertips when we go on these camping trips. Because you know, these camping trips, we never know what Mother Nature's going to bring to us, so we need to be prepared for every situation. And all this bedroom is nicely closed off with a nice pocket door that kind of has that barn door style. All right, let's get into that interior, into the living room. So when you walk in the front door, right here is your sofa, or I should say theater seating. It's really, really awesome to have it right across from the TV. We've got cup holders, we've got a little storage space for our remotes. And as I mentioned, theater seating, just a little lever, kick our feet up and really sit back and recline and relax and enjoy that movie at night. We have plenty of storage at the top that we can throw some gear up there as well. And if that's not enough, underneath the booth, other than the nice accent lighting, we can maybe at night, if the overhead lighting's too much, we can keep this on as kind of like a night light. But we have plenty of storage underneath there. And this booth is wide, it's huge. I mean, this table has got to be one of the larger tables that I've seen. So easily have a meal for 4 people in here. I don't know if you're going to have 4 people sleeping, but hey, this also transforms into another bed by night. So if you have a couple that's going to come with you, or maybe have some kiddos, maybe some grandkids, you can easily sleep maybe 2 more here and get a good full capacity of 4 in this coach. But this big slide out is deep, so it opens up a lot of floor space. So again, if there's 4 people here, you've got food going on, some meal prep, you've got the TV going on. Nobody is falling over other people's feet. Let's get into the kitchen stuff here. Beyond the entertainment center, right here to our right, again, tons of storage. We have storage at the top, we have storage down at the bottom, and I love the fact that, their Coachmen's taking care of giving us every little nook and cranny at our disposal to throw some extra storage. So we have like a little utensil drawer here. We have, again, storage at the bottom. And even the big, wide stainless sink here comes with some extras. You have not only like a dish drying rack here that you can lay out, but you also have a nice cutting board to just maximize the utility of this whole space. And getting into cooking, we have a 3-burner stove with a nice oven that we can get into pretty much any kind of meal. In worst case, you can throw it in the microwave, do some reheats or something. But hey, if you're gonna do all this big cooking, we need a big refrigerator, right? Check this out. Nice size refrigerator freezer. Be able to get ample amount of goodies in there to be able to handle any kind of meal prep that you may have on your camping trips. But again, I kind of glanced over the entertainment center. What do you think about this? Again, the TV's directly opposite of your theater seating. You can even tilt it if you want to have somebody there, maybe at the table, want to catch the morning news with your cup of coffee or something. And this fireplace, not just for looks, guys. This actually puts out some nice electric heat. So you've got a kind of damp morning or a cool, chilly night. You may not have to run your furnace. You could just kick this on and everybody's here hanging out. You can get a nice warm feel to the ambiance of your event or whatever you may do. Right behind this entertainment center is a huge, deep closet area, or actually probably more, we should call it like a pantry area, even with some more drawers that we can throw some stuff in as well. All right, last but not least, we're getting in this bathroom. This bathroom is enormous. We have a lot of elbow space. Of course, we have the toilet. We have the sink with not only the medicine cabinet overhead, but we've got a lot of storage underneath. And check out this shower. That is a big shower there, guys. We have a lot of elbow room, a lot of head height, but I love the fact that the shower comes in with a glass door, makes cleanup so much easier. And probably hard to see, but behind this door, there's over top the outside kitchen. We have a lot of storage here that we can throw a lot of goodies, and even with a rack at the top, so if you have some hanging garments you can get into. So I don't know, other than that nice, cool, fresh interior look, I think this whole trailer has everything that you want, and it's not even 30 foot. Again, a reminder, it's a 2024 Coachmen Freedom Express 252 RBS. You gotta look it up. So what do you think, 2 thumbs up? Well, give us a thumbs up anyway, and comment below on the interior, the features, because there's tons of stuff on this camper we didn't even get into. This was like your speedy version of it. You got the heating, the air conditioning, enclosed underbelly to get into some colder seasons, etc. Again, this is the 2024 Coachmen Freedom Express 252 RBS. Again, comment below of any questions that you want us to dive in further. Give us a like on the video, smash that subscribe button, and then some. We love your love. Show it. Again, I'm Mikey B with Beckley's RVs. We'll see you at the campsites.